Greetings everyone, and welcome to Dr. Nguyen's YouTube channel. We're here to discuss a topic that may be sensitive, but is vital for many erectile dysfunction. This is a condition that affects many, and yet, it's often shrouded in silence and misunderstanding. It's time we break the silence and address it head on, because it's more common than you might think. And the good news? It's treatable. Today, we'll be unveiling 5 simple things that can help reverse erectile dysfunction. These methods are straightforward, free from complex medical jargon, and most importantly, effective. We aim to provide a clear understanding, debunk common myths, and offer tangible solutions. After all, health is not just about the absence of disease. It's about optimal functioning, well-being, and living life to the fullest. So, without further ado, let's take the first step towards understanding and reversing erectile dysfunction. Stay tuned as we delve into these straightforward yet effective methods to reverse erectile dysfunction. Before we jump into the solutions, it's important to understand the problem. What exactly is erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction, often referred to as ED, is a prevalent health issue that affects men. It's characterized by the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for satisfactory sexual performance. This problem can be sporadic or persistent, and it can significantly affect a man's self-esteem, relationships, and overall quality of life. Let's delve a bit deeper. An erection is a complex process involving the brain, hormones, nerves, muscles, and blood vessels. Any disruption in this process, whether physical or psychological, can lead to erectile dysfunction. Physical causes can include heart disease, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, tobacco use, alcoholism, and even certain prescribed medications. These conditions can affect blood flow to the penis, making erections difficult to achieve. On the other hand, psychological causes such as stress, anxiety, depression, and relationship problems can also lead to erectile dysfunction. The mind plays a crucial role in triggering the physical events that lead to an erection, starting with feelings of sexual excitement. Erectile dysfunction is more common than you might think. It's estimated that half of all men between the ages of 40 and 70 will have it to some degree. However, it's important to note that experiencing occasional erectile problems is not necessarily a cause for concern. But if erectile dysfunction is an ongoing issue, it can cause stress, affect self-confidence, and contribute to relationship problems. Moreover, erectile dysfunction can also be a sign of an underlying health condition that needs treatment and a risk factor for heart disease. So, it's not just about sexual health, it's about overall health. The impact of erectile dysfunction extends beyond just the physical. It can lead to feelings of embarrassment or guilt and can cause significant stress in relationships. It's a problem that, while personal and often difficult to talk about, needs to be addressed for the sake of both physical and emotional well-being. Now, armed with this knowledge, let's explore the solutions. Scene script. Here we are, ready to unveil the 5 simple things that can help reverse erectile dysfunction. Our first point of focus is lifestyle changes. You see, our body is a complex system that thrives on balance. When we introduce harmful elements like excessive alcohol, smoking, or illicit drugs, it disrupts this balance. Over time, these disruptions can lead to conditions like erectile dysfunction. So the first step is to eliminate these harmful habits. Replace them with healthier alternatives, like sipping on herbal tea instead of reaching for that cigarette, or choosing a refreshing workout over a lazy afternoon with a bottle of beer. Remember, it's about taking small steps towards a healthier lifestyle, one day at a time. Next, we talk about diet. What you eat plays a significant role in your overall health, including your sexual health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help improve blood circulation, a key factor in achieving and maintaining an erection. So start incorporating these foods into your daily meals. Opt for a colorful salad over a greasy burger, or a piece of grilled chicken over a deep-fried counterpart. It's about making conscious choices every time you sit down to eat. Our third point of focus is exercise. Regular physical activity can significantly improve erectile function by boosting blood flow and improving heart health. And it doesn't have to be a grueling gym session. A brisk walk, a quick swim, or a lively dance class can do the trick. The goal is to get moving, get your heart pumping, and keep it consistent. Now, let's talk about stress management. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body and mind, leading to conditions like erectile dysfunction. It's vital to find effective ways to manage stress. This could be anything from practicing yoga or meditation to spending time in nature or pursuing a hobby. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate stress completely, but to find healthy ways to cope with it. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a medical consultation. Erectile dysfunction can sometimes be a sign of underlying health issues like heart disease or diabetes. Regular checkups can help detect these issues early and treat them effectively. Don't hesitate to discuss your concerns with your doctor. They can provide valuable insights and guide you on the right path towards recovery. So, there you have it. 5 simple things that can help reverse erectile dysfunction. Lifestyle changes, a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and regular medical consultation. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in maintaining your overall health and well-being, and in turn, improving your sexual health. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about taking small steps, consistently, towards a healthier lifestyle. It's about understanding your body, listening to its signals, and giving it what it needs to function optimally. Implementing these changes can significantly improve your health and potentially reverse erectile dysfunction. Let's address some common questions and misconceptions about erectile dysfunction and its treatment. First, erectile dysfunction isn't an inevitable part of aging. Yes, it's true that the risk may increase with age, but it's not a guarantee. Second, it's not just a mental problem. While psychological factors can play a role, physical conditions often underlie erectile dysfunction. So, don't brush it off as all in your head. Third, lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and quitting smoking can all help improve your condition. Fourth, erectile dysfunction isn't only about intercourse. It can affect self-esteem and relationships too. Lastly, it's not a problem to be ashamed of or to hide. It's a medical condition just like hypertension or diabetes. So don't hesitate to seek help from a healthcare professional. Remember, erectile dysfunction is a medical condition and it's okay to seek help. As we conclude, remember that reversing erectile dysfunction is possible and within your reach. We've navigated through this complex topic, breaking it down into digestible segments. We've laid out the framework to understand erectile dysfunction, dispelling misconceptions and providing clarity. We've highlighted the 5 simple things you can incorporate into your daily routine to reverse erectile dysfunction. Remember, the journey to recovery begins with understanding the condition, followed by adopting a healthy lifestyle, maintaining an active routine, taking the right supplements, seeking professional help when needed, and finally, keeping a positive mindset. These steps, while simple, can make a profound difference. But remember, each individual is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for joining us today on Dr. Nguyen's YouTube channel. Remember, your health is in your hands, and you have the power to make a positive change. Until next time, stay healthy and confident.